Hi, let's talk toilet roll and disposable nappies. What are you going to do if the worst comes to the worst and you run out? Right, let's talk about toilet roll first. There are a number of options that you could use. So how about an old flannel? I'd recommend cutting it into quarters, and then you have 4 toilet wipes ready to go. Or how about using an old muslin cut into squares of about 15 centimetres long, or an old fleece blanket, an old bathroom towel, or even an old tea towel. So you'd use these products just like you would a normal toilet roll, but when you finish using it, you'll stick them in a wet bag until it's wash day. We recommend not leaving your cloth wipes any longer than 2 days before you do wash. So stick them in the washing machine, put them on a cold rinse first, and then ideally put them on a 60-degree wash. If you can't put them on a 60-degree wash, then a 40-degree wash will be fine. Once you've done your cold rinse, you can add more items of laundry to the wash. Okay, so disposable nappies. You've run out of disposable nappies. So a temporary nappy that would see you out for a couple of hours would be to use a muslin. If you've got an older baby, then I recommend doubling up. So I have 2 muslins here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fold them into the Joe fold. Don't worry about how to do a Joe fold at this stage. If you do decide that you would like to try this option, then you can go on our website and have a look how to do a Joe fold on there. So once you've got your fold ready to go, put it on baby. Now the reason why we suggest doing a Joe fold is there's lots of excess material. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold this excess material into a knot. And there you have your temporary nappy. Now then, this on its own is not going to be enough. You're going to need some kind of outer wrap. So what I suggest in this instance, if you've used all your disposable nappies up and you don't have any cloth nappy wraps, is to temporarily use a piece of fleece. What you're going to do with the fleece is you want to cut it into a square. I would recommend about 70 centimetres for a baby that's been weaned, or smaller or younger than that, then about 60 centimetres, purely because you need a lot of excess at the end. So I'm going to fold it into a big triangle, then I'm going to put it on the baby. So the point of the triangle comes up in between the legs, and then the rest of the fleece comes around the waist and again gets tied into a knot. You're then going to tuck the fleece in around the upper leg for some containment. Ensure that all of the muslin is tucked inside the fleece, and there you go. You have, it's not very pretty, but you have a temporary nappy that will at least get you through until you can get to the shop or a friend can drop some more nappies off. Okay, thanks for watching.